everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I hope you will join me. I did another purchase of an owl. Look at this. It is the little tabletop owl. Isn't he cute? Or she? Adorable. So I got that one, and then this time I picked up some birds too. Look at that. Isn't that just cute? I like it. So I picked up 3 of those. And I also picked up some fabric. Look at this. I really like the color. It's like a taupe color. It has like gray and white lines going through it. So my stores are getting ready for inventory. So, they're bringing out everything and everything from the back room. So then there's this one. I like this one. It's like an olive green color, and it has white lines going through it. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I like the color. And then I picked up some laser cut craft words. I picked up 2 packages of these, and then I picked this up. It says love, and it's got a little key. I guess it's like a key, right? Only instead of the little key shape thing, and now it has love on top of it. But yes, I need this in a project I'm working on, so I picked those up. I went to get the word love because I knew Dollar Tree had love, but then I also found hugs. So I had to pick up hugs too. So the font is a little bit different on this one. Look at that. Nice. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I'm not done. I picked up the word forever, and that's what that looks like. See there? How cute is that, right? It's all appropriate for love, Valentine, well, every day of my life, that is. And then I found some new washi tape. You get 1 yard of washi tape, and it is 0.6 inches or 8 millimeters if you're doing millimeters. So I have this one here. It's not red really. I don't know. It's kind of weird. So I wasn't looking at this. I was looking at the tape here, because it doesn't show here, right? So I'm like, oh look, they look different. But then yeah, I was looking at it now, and then they're like, they look similar, right? So let me open this. I'm thinking that I picked up 2 of the same washi. But for the longest time, Dollar Tree did not have any new washis. It was like the same thing. Every store I went to, it was just the same over and over and over. So let's see. Let me find the ending here and pull this out. Well, it's like an ombre effect, right? Look at that. So maybe they are different. Okay, let me move that aside. And then this one. If I can get it. Oh yeah, they're the same, but it does not show on the package itself that it's ombre though. So I picked up 2 of these. And then there's this one. It's pink with flowers on it. See there? Cute, right? There's I only picked up 1 of those. And then there's this one. And this is polka dots. So on here it looks red, but then when you take it out of the package, it's like a faded red color. And then there's this one too. See, it has hearts. And it looks red on the package. It's pink with the red outline hearts. And it looks like this. It's more like a mauve color than it is red. And then this one. So this one actually shows that it is ombre. So these are the 5 washies that are new to the Dollar Tree. I need to grow my collection of washies. No, I'm just kidding. I do use washi. I only buy the ones that I will use. I don't pick up every single one that they have, but I was quite happy to see some new washies. Let me move these aside. Okay, the next items, I have yet to see it on anyone's haul yet. But then again, by the time my video is out, they probably will. Isn't that how Dollar Tree works? This is an eco-friendly cork pen. It's quite interesting. It is by Greenbrier. Look at this. I don't want to open it because I plan to gift this. Because look at this. How adorable. Have you ever seen anything so cute? I picked up one of those. And I'm thinking that there's going to be more colors coming. Just at the moment, these are the only colors my Dollar Tree has. And then I found this one. These are also eco-friendly straw pins. Look at that. It's like a denim type of fabric or paper or something. I think it's paper. So you got the denim, you got the red denim and the orange denim. And then look, they have it in the gray, the purple, and again the blue denim. So yeah, quite an interesting pen selection there. And then I also found this one. This one is Paper Barrel. A tube of cardboard is what it is. Look. Quite interesting, right? So these pens are Greenbrier products, but it's by the brand Kind. I don't know, maybe Kind is now affiliated with Dollar Tree's or Greenbrier brand. I don't know. Or maybe Kind is a new brand coming to Dollar Tree. I don't know. Maybe somebody knows out there. But it is quite interesting, right? And because I saw 2 different colors in this collection, I'm thinking this one's going to show up in another color. And then even the what is it called again? The Paper Barrel. I'll probably see that in another color too. But at the moment, this is what I found at my Dollar Tree. It is quite interesting, right? And I thought that they would make an excellent gift for somebody. You know? They're so cute. The last items I picked up from my Dollar Tree this week is this. It's the Lindt Lindor Milk Chocolate Truffle Bar. It is irresistibly smooth. And it's 13 ounces. Oh, wait. Oh, goodness. Yeah, that we're in trouble if it's 13 ounces. It's 1.3 ounce per package. Oh, goodness. So I picked up 2 of the milk chocolate truffle bars. And then I picked up this one. This is the caramel milk chocolate truffle bar. How delicious it looks. Have you ever eaten, well, I'm sure you have, but you know when you eat this Lindor chocolate, you usually have like just one piece and you're like, oh, that is so delicious. And then you're like, okay, let me put the rest away. I'm going to hoard the rest because it's so delicious. Oh, goodness. If you get a chance, yeah, pick one up for yourself. Or, pass one along to your loved one. But I love these cute little birds and owls. They're so gorgeous. I'm glad I found those. And I'm glad to have found some new stuff at my Dollar Tree. Lately, we've been seeing all sorts of new stuff, right? I mean, this week I was happy to find these pins. They're so cute. I will definitely gift those out. And then I am quite happy that Dollar Tree has some new washies available. Cute. And I like these washies because they're the terrible paper washies. Some of them are so thick, like they're almost vinyl. It's hard to tear, but not this one. This is like that. See there? How it tears? How cute, right? I like that. I like those kind of washies. But then again, I'm always like, I'm out with my scissors, even though you can tear it. I'm sure my fabrics were like a bag stock, but I'm quite happy I found these. It's two more types of fabrics to add to my collection, and I will have them available for my future projects. I will definitely go back and grab some more items this week, and I hope that you will join me again. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.